Welcome to my channel again. So today we're gonna see what's in these. Oops. So we have pink, magneto red or something purplish, green and blue. It's looking really nice. And I'm wondering what's in these. After we open these, we're gonna see what's in, drumroll please, this baby. So let's get going. Let's start off with the green one. Oh, it's so soft. I'm so interested what's in this. Whoa, I can already see the prize. Oh, what? We got airhead bites. Oh, I know what I think this is. Toy mini brands, isn't it? Yes. So I wonder what's going to be in these three. Yeah, so front and back. Okay, nice. So let's open up this blue one. Oh, I just squished it. What is it? Well, it's so tiny. I think it's toy mini brands too. Interesting. Yes, it is. It's the hair shampoo. I put it to the side. This is how it looks in clean version. Really detailed. I have no clue why it says Monday on it, but oh well. Let's check the next one. Let's choose this one. The pink one's really nice. We got Mentos. Really fluffy slime. Look how pretty this is. It's really realistic. Imagine you can actually open up and eat real things in there. But it was just mini. So cool. I like this one. Okay, just rolling off. Let's just put it like that. There you go. No, not again. There. So right now this is all from Toy Mini Brands, so I'm expecting this one to be from Toy Mini Brands. Let's see. Okay, let's dig in. I feel like it is. Yep, it is. Okay. We got a rare one. It is a Warhead Super Sour spray candy. Nice. Yeah. So I like it. Let's put it to the side. Oh, the Mentos rolled off again, and plus it rolled off the table. There you go. Don't roll off. You know what this means? Let's open this up. Okay, I'm excited. Oh my god. Do you think what I think this is? Fidgets! Okay, so let's see them. The first one is this cool Among Us fidget. Look how cool it is. It's so soft. I love it. And the other side? Ooh, it's loud. Cool, I love this one. Let's check the next one. Cool. Oh, you can't pop the middle part. Oh well. Oh, so fun. Okay, let's do the next one. This is so cool. I always wanted one. One of my friends doesn't have it, and it's her dream fidget. I know, can hear my doggies just running around the kitchen. So fun. Even has A, B, C, D, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I love this one. Okay, let's go on to the next one. I don't know how much fidgets is in there, but it's so fun. So let's see this next one. It's a nice, relaxing pineapple. It's relaxing because it can like these drawings that fun to put your fingers on. And loud too. I really like this one. Rainbow pineapple. Let's go on to the next one. Well, I'm getting pile now, but by the way, look at this. It's a circle. It looks like so cool. The blue reminds me of the sky and the white reminds me of the clouds. It's so soft. And the other side. Cool. Let's go on to the next one again. I think this is the last one. Whoa. It's not so loud, but it's fun to play with. Oh, this side is loud. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Practically, there's no more left. It's empty, but it's still a good price. Look how big stack I've got. I'll show you in a sec. It's this tall, it's nearly touching the camera. The unicorn, the circle, the rainbow pineapple, the lolly, the puppy paw, and the Among Us. I love these. Comment down below which one you like better. Bye guys, hope you liked my video.